Alright, so today we're talking about a Mac versus PC for incoming computer science majors. Basically, this is just for a student that is trying, like, they want to be a computer science major, and they're trying to figure out what kind of computer they should be looking for whenever they go into the field. So, the main thing you want to do is figure out which computer is the best for you. A few things to consider is your personal preference first off is like if you've been using a Windows computer for the past 10 years through high school, junior high, you're probably going to want to stick with that. But again, you want to keep your options open. Some other things to think about is what language you are going to use and like degree requirements on what classes. So first off, whenever you're looking around and you know what college you want to go to, you need to figure out what general programming languages they're going to be teaching. Recently, the most popular one has been Python, followed by Java, MATLAB, and the rest of the graph into C++. And so, first off, Python, which is probably the most taught programming language, Python can be run on both computers, both very easy to run. You download the program, you can run and compile code easy. Java followed by that is can also easily be run on both computers. On Mac computers, the program is automatically built in with a compiler. On Windows, it's just a quick download of a program called NetBeans, which you can also download. Just Google NetBeans, and there it is, easy to go. MATLAB again is also a program. It is mostly a Windows based, but they do have a Mac port for it, even though it isn't as supported. And then C and C++, which are close to the same, can also be run. Not default on either system, but again, a short download will be able to get it on both systems. Next thing to think about is prices and features. First, you're going to be looking. I just found two fairly high-powered computers. Again, it works for either way. You can spend a lot less on either of these computers. I just found two examples. On the Mac side, it is fairly expensive at $2,799, but it does come with a load more features and bells and whistles that help speed you along your way. And Windows computers are fairly less expensive. Again, though not everything is as quickly supported in the computer science, but it can be done. I use a Windows computer, but again, everybody uses their own. Some default programs with Macs like Bandcamp, movie editors could help with other projects in your required classes before you actually get to computer science classes, but it is almost a few $2,000 more expensive than the Windows computer. When setting about a programming environment in either system, as I said earlier, Java is built in native to the Mac OS, though any other language is an easy plugin. Whenever you try to run and compile a code in that kind, it'll pop up a notification saying, hey, we don't have this plugin, but would you like to download it quick and easy? Hit OK, it downloads it for you automatically. On PC, there is a possible way to work around this, which is dual running Linux on your system, where you basically set up a secondary operating system mirroring Windows, which you can run and compile code. Or, as the ASU system actually sets up, you can run a Linux server through a SSH SFTP server, which those are just file transferring servers, fancy word for those, but you can upload files to the server and then run the files in the server and compile and shake your code out to there. There are also plugins through text editors such as Komodo or Atom.io, which you just in the options there you can search it up and you can download a C++ and or Java compiler, which makes it very easy to manage on a Windows system. And in the future, there's very many things to think about, even past college. There's the difference is lessened between both operating systems, and they're becoming easily interchangeable. You can open up files from either either operating system into the other, and they run both just as fine. And both are supported by many companies. Some either choose one way or another, but there is leeway within each to choose your desired operating system. And that's about it. Thank you very much for listening today, and have a good day.